Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Paula, aka mua.paulav, and I'm so happy to have you here. Today, we're gonna do a get ready with me first impression video. I have a bunch of new makeup, at least new to me. And I'm gonna give you my thoughts and reviews of those products while I'm just doing my makeup because I'm going out tonight. Today is Valentine's Day. Sorry I didn't have a video for Valentine's Day. I just got caught up. But if you have any important occasion and you wanna recreate this look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with skincare. I already prepped and primed my skin, but I have an awesome recommendation. Even though I'm gonna go out at night, I still wear it every day, and it's my Pixi Sun Mist with chamomile and bamboo extract. It's an SPF 30. It's a spray. It's really good and convenient. You can reapply it every 4 hours. It'll give you enough coverage. You don't have to wear, because I don't really like the texture of sunscreen on my skin. So this has no texture, it's just a mist. Really good and really affordable. Also, I've been wearing my e.l.f. Beauty Shield with antioxidant and it's an antioxidant and rich skin protection with vitamin C. And it's a pollution prevention serum. I really like it. It's also really affordable. You can find it at Walmart and Target. I use a couple drops of that. And for primer, I don't have a new one, but I'm gonna use my No Problem primer. It's one of my favorites now. I'm gonna apply it in the areas that I know my pores are larger. And I really apply it and tap into them so the primer can fill those pores. For foundation, I have my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in golden beige. This is $5.99, you guys. It's my first time wearing it. I've heard really good things. If you are a makeup artist, the applicator is really good because it's not a sponge. It's like a little paddle. Let me show you. So you don't have to touch anyone's face and you can apply the foundation really easily. I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. So far there's a nice amount of coverage. I will say this is like a pump and a half. If I had to build it up, I will. But for $5.99, I think the texture and the coverage is really good. I'm gonna apply a little more just to even out my skin. I'm also really happy with the finish of this foundation. It's not really matte nor shiny. It's like a happy medium. Now for concealer, I have my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is a brand new product that Makeup Revolution put out in the market, and I got the shade C6 and C7. So far I like the texture. There's a lot of people that's saying that it is exactly like the tape shape. I really like the tape shape, but if this does a good job, this is only, I believe, $7 or $8 at Ulta versus a shape tape that is $22. So yeah, C7 is my shade, so I'm gonna be able to highlight with C6. And now I'm gonna take the shade C13 and contour my face. I really like the way this blend out and the coverage they have. So you're gonna see me wearing it a lot. Now I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution banana powder and I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm gonna be very generous because the colors that I'm gonna use in the eyes can fall out and I don't wanna mess up my base. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my Colourpop brow pencil in the color Banging Brunette. I'm gonna fill them in, brush them down. Now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Brow Tamer. It's a clear gel, and I'm gonna apply it. My eyebrows are bushy, so I need to comb them. Now with my MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, I'm gonna prime my eyelids using that same Sephora concealer brush. I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. Now for eyes, I'm gonna use my Blushing Berries Dose of Color palette. I'm gonna take all of the colors. I'm gonna do a raspberry smoky eye. It comes with a little brush that is really helpful. It's a really good palette, really good pigment. So with the Wet n Wild Fluff brush, I'm gonna take the color Berry Chic, apply it all over my lid. Okay, now that I have it closer, you can see the shades better. I'm still doing Berry Chic and I'm blending it all over my eyelid. If you have hooded eyes, don't forget to elongate your eyeshadow all the way up so that way when you're looking up you can still see your work. Don't be afraid of eyeshadows, just work with your eye shape. And I'm pulling it back here because I want to kind of mimic that cat eye effect with my eyeshadow. Really blending those edges, we want them really soft. I'm gonna take the shade Mixed Berries. It's like a mauve brown shade and I'm gonna define my crease. And now with the Wet n Wild brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take black cherry, the black color, and I'm gonna take that taper edge of the, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly define the crease again. Start in the middle. They're really pigmented black, so be careful. I'm gonna change brushes. I'm gonna go with my Morphe M441 and tap into the color Roseberry. I'm gonna go with my Morphe E36. It's like a more fluffy detail brush. I'm gonna work that mixed berries colors because I want to intensify the crease. Now I'm gonna take some of my C7 concealer again, and I'm gonna cut the crease just to clean it out, and so the berry shade applies more intensely, and it will give us like a nice clean look. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna use a really dark eyeshadow shade, but this will help that eyeshadow pop even more. Also bring the cut crease like 3/4 of the way. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down. Now I'm gonna take a packer brush. It's my Morphe M167. And I'm gonna take the raspberry shade called the Berry Pop in the palette. I'm gonna try doing it with the dry brush. If I have to wet it to intensify the color, I will do it, even though it seems really pigmented. So now with that taper brush, I'm gonna bring some of the mauve color and marry the eyes together. Now I'm gonna take my Sephora liquid liner and I'm gonna line. Now I'm gonna use my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and apply some falsies, and I'll be right back. Now for complexion, I bought this Sculpt and Blend 10-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take the brush 114. Really affordable. I think it had like 30% off, and it was like $16. And I'm gonna try my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade medium. I'm gonna swipe off the banana bread first. Now I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetic Shade and Define 10 color contour palette as well. Really cheap, really nice packaging. It doesn't have a mirror, but it works. I'm gonna take the warmer tone, this guy right here in between these two shades. Now I'm taking the Classic Blush 10 color palette as well, really affordable and nice. And I'm gonna take a rosy tone. I'm gonna take the Luminous Gold and I'm gonna apply it on the high points of my face. A little goes a long way, so. Now I'm gonna apply my Pixie Glow Mist and set all of my makeup. I put a lot of powder and built up makeup, so I don't wanna look cakey. This is a really important step. Because the eyes are so deep and heavy and dark, I'm gonna use a gloss from ColourPop in the shade Charming. So this is it, you guys. This is the final look. And if you like it and you like me, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below on any other look that you want to see me recreating, and I will try my best to do so. I am Paula, aka mua.paulav, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces!